So you know the Discord giving free quest badge, and so you get real quick without downloading and impact. Let's get into you need these three things, guys. You'll be pin comment and now how to install Vincord, and I don't think I need to take you how to and go to Discord. This GitHub code give the gift and inventory and accept cost quest. Join VC and from account here you want to badge and page and alto account and start streaming any screen and more thing you need enable the scene code and restore Discord. After that start streaming anything and which from account. Now click Ctrl Shift plus and open the code and copy console allowing code and GitHub and paste there and wait 15 minutes until get thing console, then open inventory and climb. That's I hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.